Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our 4th chapter, that is the geometry part and a basic concept of the geometry. Okay, so students, already we have discussed about that some related terms in this chapter about that related to the geometry. So today we are going to discuss other related terms. So let us see. First of all, we have to see what is the ray. Students, do you know what is the ray? Do you have heard that sun rays? Why you should say sun ray? Why you cannot say sun lines? Why you should say it is a sun ray? Because if the line having initial point, that means if it is starting point is there, then and there is no end points, that line is called as a ray. That means line already I have told. It is the combination of the points on a surface and extend infinite distance in the opposite direction. Okay, there is no ends of the lines, but ray having one starting point, initial point is there. That means sun is the initial point, and it extend infinite distance. Made the sun made up to earth or after that beyond the earth. Okay, students, that's why it is coming from the sun. So that's why it is called as a ray, because it starts point is there. Suppose electric bulb you will switch on, that means what is the light ray is coming from the electric bulb, that is called as also ray, because the source is the starting points. So we should say where is the source, where is the starting points if the line, that is called as a ray. Okay friends, so the line which has initial point also you can write friends here, initial point. Initial point means starting points, but no end points, okay, is called ray. Okay friends, the line which has initial point, starting points is there, but there is no end points, that is called as a ray. So like that friends, you should observe here the starting point is there O, and there is no arrow mark is there, so that means there is a infinite distance it will be moved. Okay, and it is represented by OA. Any ray is there means you should see, suppose I am writing AB. Symbolically it is be like this. Okay, it is called as a ray. But if two ends like that is there, then you should say that is a line. Okay friends, and now today we are going to discuss about some properties of ray. What are the properties? Okay, so let us start the first property. Infinite number of rays can be drawn from a point. Friends, how many rays can draw? How many rays can draw from a point? There is infinite rays. How? Friends, sun. From the sun, how many rays are coming? Can you say? No. From the electric bulb, how many rays are light rays are coming from that electric bulb? Can you say? No. That means one particular point from that. Number of, that means infinite number of rays are coming. So you can draw like this here on point O. You can draw like this. This is the ray, and having the one common point. From the common points it is moving. Okay. Same like second one, see, one and only one ray can be drawn beginning at O and passing through a given point. Students, if one point is there, suppose one point is there, here starting point is there, and it is given point 1A, how many ray can draw? Only one ray can draw. Only one ray can draw through a given point. How many ray can draw? Only one ray can draw through a given point if initial point is given to you. Third, two rays OA and OB having the same initial point O and forming a line are known as opposite rays. That means if suppose this is one initial point O, this is O, this is one ray, this is OA, and this O, this is B. That means it is, if you initial point O is there, it is combining this both opposite to each other, that it will form a ray. It will form like this also. It is not opposite to this. If exactly opposite to this, then it will form a line. So So it is forming a line known as opposite ray. It is called as also opposite ray. From this OA opposite ray is called OB, and this is make a line. Okay, students. Next we are going to discuss about that one, students. Another one term, that is plane. What is the plane? A plane is defined as smooth flat surface which extends infinitely in all directions. Students, what is the plane? Plane means smoothness surface. Okay, you have seen that your house, your marble plates. Okay, that is a smooth surface. Yes, such a type of things. That means all direction. There is no particular direction. That every direction it is moving. Such type of things are surface is called as a what a plane. Okay, so our board. Suppose you see that white board. This is one plane surface. Yes, because everywhere it is same. So every direction it is moving. So it is called as a plane smooth surface. So it is a plane. Okay. So students, now today we are going to discuss about an example related to whatever I have taught you. On that I have given here written on one question. So try to give yourself. You should give that answer. Example 1, in the adjoining figure, name. Here one figure I have drawn, students, and from that figure you have to give this answer. Okay. So first of all, answer we have to write here A. 4 collinear points. Students, what is the collinear points? Can you say? Can you remember? Okay. Collinear points means 3 or more points are lie on a straight line. What is the collinear points? 3 or more points are lie on a straight line are called collinear points. So see, students, in this which one straight line? AB is a straight line because this is one straight line. How many points? Oh, these 4 points are there. So answer what is that? Many we can do that, but here given that 4. So what you can write? A, E, O, B are what is that? Collinear points. Okay. So first question over. Second, a line. What is that one line? Line is AB, EB, OB. We can say, but we can say one line is AB. Many more we can make also. Yes, AB is a line. C. 4 rays. From this point, 4 rays. That means ray. What is the ray? Having the initial point. There is no end points. Initial point O. Suppose I will make OA, OB. This is OB. So I write OB, OC, OP. This is also one ray. OA. Yes. More many are there. We can make also OE, OA, like that we can make also. Okay. So these are the rays. Okay. Next, only it asks 4 rays, 5 line segments. Okay, students. What are the line segments you should find out to? See, students. AE. We can write AE because from A to E there is one particular. It is starting point, end point. So AE. AO. We can write AO. Yes. OB. Yes. OB. OP. From O to P only. OP ray means up it will be. Only OP. Only 9 segments. So these are the, again one more. A and B up to here or OC. Only OC. O to C only. Not that more. That is all called as a, what is that? Line segment. Okay, students. I hope you have understand about these examples, and you should prepare well and remember this all the definition, students, and write in your classwork. Thank you all of you. Write and send me.